Good morning! Somewhere again is just not the kids. They have a nice lampshade. The lampshade look like coupon. We have a plant. Good morning, UAE. Afternoon, Philippines. The sun is so hot already. The winter is done. You see the sun very hot. The sun is very hot. I show you the sun is so hot. There's no winter anymore. Anyway, guys, happy Thursday. See, the sun is very hot. How many days before weekend? Anyway, guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment or suggestion. Of course, don't forget to share and subscribe. Hello po. It's so hot already. Bye, guys. Enjoy your day. Bye.